Do not sleep on IU women's soccer going into the 2024 NCAA women's soccer season, as it is underway as we are talking right now. But the IU women's soccer team, who is playing against Tennessee tonight, is looking at this moment as a moment of clarity and opportunity going into the new season. Led by coach Erwin van Binnenkopp, last fall was one of the most memorable times he has ever had as the coach of the women's soccer team. The games they played last season mainly ended in draws, but the Hoosiers finished 2023 with 6 victories and just 2 defeats from 10 Big Ten games, and also scored 20 points, a program record. The team also this season is being led by the 2023 Big Ten Goalkeeper of the Year, Jamie Gerstenberg, who proved herself to be a star and has come back for yet another season of play and might win Big Ten Goalkeeper of the Year again in 2024. With the Hoosiers being good in certain areas, including beating Big Ten opponents, the biggest and most consequential problem this season that will be brought up a lot throughout the season will be scoring, as they scored 45% of their goals off set pieces, with many of them coming up in turnovers. Or, as the coach put it, it was within 2 or 3 passes after winning the ball game. So if you're going to be saying to yourself, who's going to be the best team out of the Big Ten, you'll be thinking to yourself, the UCLAs, the Oregons, maybe even Washington. But please keep Indiana on the back of your mind, because they are not just underdogs, they are the hunted, not the hunter, in the entire Big Ten Conference, which is dominated by big soccer opponents. But Indiana last season, even in the Big Ten tournament, made noise. But we'll have to see going into the year. I will have to make it known again, do not sleep on the Indiana Hoosiers.